Alright, it has arrived. Denon AVR-X4700H. Last puzzle piece to my home theater system. So let's see what's in the box. So you got a remote. Got a remote, batteries, quick start guide. I guess the manual's online, so I'll have to try to get a copy of that. Got some labels. It's got the antennas. It's got the Wi-Fi antennas, and looks like a FM antenna. It's got the Odyssey microphone for calibration, power cord, and tells you how to set up the Odyssey, it looks like. Yeah. So we'll be doing this calibration probably a little bit later, but and here's the receiver. All right, let's get it out and take a look at it. All right, got it out of the box. Here's the front of it. So it's got all these sound systems that it supports. We're going to be putting together a 7.1.2 Atmos system, and it's got the 8K video. So we're going to be using eARC to get the sound from the LG TV. And originally I thought I would run my old Blu-ray player through this, but now I realized that with eARC I can just run the Blu-ray player into the TV as normal and get the sound out. The TV should be able to pass through all the Atmos or whatever sound my Blu-ray player can put out can come out through the eARC, so I can just leave the connections on the back the way it is. It's also got Bluetooth headphones, AirPlay too. I have to try that. Roon tested. I'm not sure what that is. Amazon Music, 3 zones. I'm not going to use 3 zones, but and of course Odyssey calibration. And if we open up the front panel, it's got a bunch of buttons. It's got a HDMI input on the front, which I think the next version lower doesn't have that. It's got the headphone jack. We're going to be using that. So, and the setup mic. We're going to be using that too. All right, I'll flip it around. We can see what's on the back. All right, so here's the back. So, in contrast to the old one, this has AC in, of course. The old style receivers from 8 years ago when I got it had auxiliary power ports out. So when the receiver turned on, you could turn on other things like the subwoofer and so forth. But there's not enough room on the back for those kind of things now. So we're using that smart power strip, so that when the TV comes on, then the receiver comes on, and I've got the subwoofer plugged into that too, so it'll come on whenever the TV comes on. So that's taking care of that. So the big thing here that we're interested in is the eARC connection. So that's where we're going to be running our cable. Got this 8K cable from Zestkit. I wanted to get a certified ultra high HD high-speed cable, but I couldn't really find any yet. But this one says it'll work with 8K, and on their website they said that this was used to demonstrate 8K or 48 gigabits per second at the latest CES. So I'm pretty sure this is going to work. Other guys like TechnoDad have said it works. So this box doesn't say that it has Ethernet on it, but if you look on the Amazon description, it does support Ethernet, so it should work fine for our purposes. So we got one of these now. When we get the Xbox Series X, I'll get another one. Hopefully by then there may be some certified cables. I'll try to get one of those. So we're going to be using front, left and right, center, surround, left and right, surround, back. And the new ones for the Atmos setup are going to be the front height speakers. We're not going to be using these, but these aren't able to be powered by the internal amplifier, so it can drive these 9 sets of speakers, so we're all set, plus a subwoofer. And we're going to hook up the network, and we hook up the Wi-Fi. I can put the Wi-Fi antenna on there, but I guess that's for Bluetooth too. So if I want to use Bluetooth headphones, I can use that. But I think for most of my headphone work, I'm just going to be plugging in the front panel and using my Sennheiser headphones. Alright, so now we just need to hook it up and see if it works.